Hi, I'm Amy Karanik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the Sculpey Texture Wheel set. The Texture Wheel set comes with 4 interchangeable heads and 1 handle. When you're ready to use it, just pick one of the texture wheels and snap it onto the handle. This one is called Arches. Now I already have some clay conditioned and I'm ready to texture it. I'll just start here on the edge and with heavy pressure and even pressure, push down as I roll along. The heads snap out easily and then you can just change to the next one. This one is called Dots. Same process, use a lot of hand pressure and push all along the stripe. This one is called Knit. I love how the textures are continuous. Finally, this one is called Vine. They give nice, deep, creative textures. When you're all done, you can easily clean them with baby wipes or warm, soapy water. The texture wheel is great for all kinds of projects from jewelry to home decor.